Here's an update on my tinted tail lights I did. It's been about a year already. I know I kind of overdid it. I spray painted them with VHT Nightshade. I know I was supposed to take it off about like 6 to 8 months, it says. It's too busy to remove all this. But here it is. They stay pretty strong. Hasn't faded, nothing. Let me tell you, turn it on so you can see how it really looks, the lights. And I have LEDs in here, and you could probably see them. But I know they're really good. You can see when you're braking, very vivid. Pretty strong. It hasn't chipped or nothing. When you clean them, they look even better. But I'm gonna remove them. I remove all this, the old paint, and then I'm just gonna tint them with the film, original tint. I know it's gonna look way better. This was like one of my first models whenever I got my car last year. That's why I just painted these with the VHT Nightshade. It's pretty fun. Yep. It's the review. They lasted a whole year. They're not scratched. They look good as new, like I painted them the first day I did.